Time to do some wrenching.
Okay, what I got here is a Motorcraft FL1A. It came out of my brother's pickup truck. It was in there for almost 2 years. I don't know how many miles it had on it. He didn't write it down, so I don't know what it had. But it was in there for quite a while. Anyways, I'm going to cut it open and see if, see how she looks inside. My glasses on. Pretty black. Wow. This anti-dreambag valve is stuck on there. Ooh, this is bad. Hope this comes out of camera. I gotta show you this. You can see this. It cracked. Cracked along here somewhere. Right here. Yeah, came right apart. It's all brittle. Why? I don't know what he did to this. He must have overheated it or something at one time. Oh, that's pretty bad. He had to have overheated it. Nice. And he doesn't really take care of the thing, so. Here's the filter media. Now let's see. Get this oil leaking here. Hold on. I don't see no tears. But it looks pretty, it's pretty grungy. But I don't see no tears. I'll look at it a little later, and if I see any tears, I'll post it. But I don't see any. It just looks pretty ugly. Yeah, it looks pretty ugly, but I don't see no tears. So it held up anyways for almost 2 years. This should have been taken out at least a year ago. So I don't know. And there's a little leaf spring, and I'll tell you its bottom. I'll show up on the camera. Let's see. It looks like it's pretty grungy here too. Yeah, it's very well used oil here for sure. But it didn't tear, so it's doing its job. This is it happens when you don't take care of things, But at least it held up. Good thing I changed it when I did. All right. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the notification bell. Keep on wrenching.